I'm Donny Maclean, and this is me restored 79 K123 cab over, which was built for Finemores in Wagga. It was delivered to Wagga red and white, was never able to be delivered to them because they went into receivership. So it was taken back to Kenworth in Melbourne, and a bloke called Dickie Frappelle bought it from Shepparton. He had it for the first couple of million Ks, blew it up, and fortunately he passed on, and then I bought this truck off his son. So I had to put another motor and gearbox in it, get it up and going, and this is my final result. So just take it to all the truck shows. Done probably 20,000 Ks in it, 10 or 20,000 Ks in it. Has missed a beat. Just a really good truck to drive, you know. 892, yeah, GM, Detroit. 9 speeds, 3.7 diffs, just Hendrickson Walking Beam. Just all original, completely original truck. Yeah. I just tried to keep my truck all original as much as I can without sort of getting out of that you know, that circle. Yeah. Been on the road 40 odd years, livestock most of my life. I work for Shanahan's Livestock in Wagga Wagga now. I've been with him 6 going on 7 years, and that's my name of the game, is just a turd herder. Just, yeah, love the job.
So what'd you start out in?
One of these. Same truck, but not this one, same truck. This like I say, this is what Finemore had when I started driving. So same truck, just not this one. Yeah. This is why I go back to this, I love them, you know. My dad worked at Finemores and he actually had one of these brand new. So yeah, I learned to drive in it actually when he was there, yeah. He actually subbed for him back in the 60s with his own truck, and then he went and drove for him. Yeah, and that's when I sort of kicked off, when the end of his driving career I started, yeah. It's just easy to drive. It's just music to the ears, we say, with a GM. I actually put another interior in it because the other interior was pretty knocked about. But other than that brown paint's about 42-year-old, because it was red and white, remember, and he drove it around for a couple of years red and white, the previous owner. And then when I got it, the clear coat come off the gold, so I just painted the gold, but that's been painted for a while now. It's probably needs a bit of TLC. Oh, you could go and put it to work tomorrow, but I'm not going to do that.